shut this off. G'day, g'day, g'day. How you doing?
Good,
Didn't
how are
realize
you?
it's yeah, good, good. Nice to have you on.
You
Got some rain
too?
coming here. You got rain up there in Brizzy?
Oh yeah, we had some overnight, it's here for a few days, of course, everywhere.
Yeah, yeah. Beautiful. Filling up the tanks.
Have
Okay,
you
I
loaded up version 2 yet?
yeah, I have. Have you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm missing that little bit missing that thing they had down the bottom I don't know what
Yeah.
it's called, but yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, no, if you go back into your where you the Gumroad, there's
Yeah,
the first version's in there. I use that. So I use
yeah,
both for all those different
yeah,
strategies and stuff, but I use the one that's got those
yeah,
multicolors on because it works. I love it. So
yeah, yeah,
yeah, but just download it. Have you still got it or?
yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
I've still
Okay.
got it. I don't, I'm still you might say a beginner in TradingView because I'm MT45 sort of thing. So
Yeah.
I got to get
Yeah.
my head
It's
around. I got to do some YouTube videos on TradingView and get up to speed on it. Mm.
yeah. Yeah. It's pretty once you know it, it's pretty
Oh,
good.
it's awesome. Yeah, it looks pretty
But
good. Yeah.
but yeah, TradingView. I remember when I first started on it, it was like, whoa, it's crazy. Okay,
Yeah.
let's have a look what this market is doing. Just 6J, 6N, 6A. Okay. Oh, hang on. Some my template on. That is not a template. Borderline. There was some amazing moves in the market last night. Well, nighttime for
Yeah.
me. Oh, I caught some of it.
What, on gold or what?
US 30. I was in
Oh
a
yeah.
buy on gold. I was in a buy and it
Mm.
spiked up and I put the buy in and then it just spiked right back down. I went, oh no, they're messing with us. So I got out. And yeah, I was like, I think they're going to tank this market. And they just tanked it. And it was the most
Yeah.
beautiful, beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful, beautiful move. So
Mm.
just looking at this, I caught this morning, right? So
Mm.
how do I just have to put this down here so I can see. All right, we have this happening here. There's still a little bit of this up the top here.
Mm.
And this is um this is creating something pretty wild in here, which is good.
Mm.
I love what I'm seeing here. Right. It's a bit like this. Let's
Mhm.
just give them some room here.
Have a look at
Whoa.
Bitcoin this morning, our time. Couple of big runs there.
Oh
Huge
yeah.
run.
Oh my goodness. You can make a lot of money on that. Just wanna,
Absolutely.
yeah. Bitcoin's
Bitcoin, when it gets on runs and that, you'll get a run
yeah,
up and you'll get the run
yeah,
back down, of course, and then you just
yeah.
keep going.
Oh yeah, this here, like all these bullish patterns, right?
Mm.
Just continual, like
Mm.
even without like with look at it just it creates the
Mm-hmm.
most amazing price action.
Yep.
It's unreal. Yeah,
It's
I love
just
it. People are scared to trade it, but
No,
If you
no,
have
no,
a
no,
like,
no. Don't be scared of it.
no, no, don't be scared of it.
You
Yeah.
miss out on lots of profit. You bet
Oh yeah.
just, I just do like 4% risk per trades now. I'm getting up to that.
Oh, well done.
Very, very short stop loss. I'm just scalping 1 minute. That's all I do.
Right, you're doing good.
Mm, thanks.
Really good. Okay, so let's go on here. Let's have a look. Woo! Yeah. Okay, let me just pop on this one on here. 5 minute, 3 minute. Oh, am I missing this? What's going on here? No, no. Said huge. Okay, this here, we just got to wait
Mm,
for this sell. This is going to be beautiful. If this sells later, if it does, and this is a very, very, um, to me, if they do bring the sellers in, I'll put this signal sniper. I've so many times I've said on the small snuggle, like, oh, never say it properly. Just let me just have a look
mm.
at NAS. Oof. Okay. So I'm going through here. Okay. What do we got? How many minutes we got here? Oh, it's happening right now. Okay. This here, this is in this here. Green, green. We've got the greens. We've got the buy. I'm getting in. Just
Mm.
waiting. It's looking good. Just want to check on this one over here.
Yeah, I just never take NAS or Dirty 30, US 30 after about, 10 o'clock our time in the morning. I just wouldn't touch it.
Right now.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to take it. I'm taking
Yeah,
it.
go on
I'm
then.
taking the buy. Yeah.
Go on. Yeah.
All right. Whoa. I just put it into. Got it. $1 in. Early entry, just one micro I'm in. Woohoo! Let's go. Come on. We got to buy. It's saying buy. So let's wait on this one,
Yep.
see what it does. But I've got one micro in. Small risk.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Big spender.
Oh, yeah. I can't handle big contracts. I accidentally put in a huge contract.
God,
I need
after the number
some.
of years you've been doing it, you can't handle the big ones yet.
No, no. My heart starts going crazy. Oh, let me have a look at gold. Okay, that's in. All right. We could come up. We could come up. Okay. We could come up here. Let me just have a look at if this
I just
breaks
use it.
this here, if this
Mm,
breaks this for a sell,
mm,
I'm getting in for
mm-hmm.
that.
Okay.
Right? But if it breaks up here, this could, there is a space here. It could come
Mm,
up.
mm-hmm.
So I just want to have a look here. I'm still in that Nasdaq. Hang on. What did I just click on? That's not what I wanted. There's other things as well, but I'm just this starts pushing up, and if it breaks, even better. That breaks, oh my
Mm,
goodness.
mm.
Okay. There has been a lot of selling. I love it. I love, love, love. Price action first. Come on, push up. We do have that buy. We do have the wicks, but I'm only on one micro. If they decide to push it up, great. If they take it down, yeah.
You're sweating on one micro. Oh my goodness me. Just joking.
I know. I'm a scary
The scary
we
cat.
go here. Oh yeah. Come on, baby, let's go. All right, so we got that. I'll put this on the two. Come on. You got a lot of room that you want to go up to. I can just feel it. I can just feel you just want to go
Oh,
up.
come on. Come on.
Come
You
on.
can't say that. You can't say that. There's that emotion coming in again. Trading's 20% skill, 80% emotion, they say.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Yep. So let me go into this. And so we do have, just might have a look at what's my gold doing. My gold is there. It's just floundering. I don't want to go near that right now. This is squeezing. This is squeezing. I love this pattern. This here, this is building up,
Hmm.
right? Whether they drop it down, but if they push it up, right? As I said, I've only got one micro in. We got the buy. I've got the fat flat Heikinashis already. I can see this is
Hmm.
nice. I'm going to put on the Asian. That was nice this morning. Okay. I would have, man, I was a bit late to that one. This here, money zone. Boom, 1 to 1 done. So, right. So I take this area and then wherever this market goes from this, if it breaks this, then I'll start looking for my entries, breaks out, pulls back. Like if it does break out and I get pullbacks, right? Then I'll enter again and then I'll go on to the 30 second, the 15 second.
Mm.
Right now, gold is just hovering. This here, so there was the money here, right? And we're just waiting on this. Come on, you can do it. Come on now, you can go. Let's go. That's what we want. That's what we want. Out we go. All right, so come on, there, go, everyone. We have to do the boogie dance. This should go up. It should go up. Where's my okay, in here. Okay. Come on, baby. You can do it. Okay. We shall see.
Hmm.
So what I've been doing is I've been using the VIX. Right? This did break out of here, right? If it
Oh,
stays,
Stacey, that's what put me on my list, right? This was for, oh, Linda.
this is pulling back in. Oh man, everything's really chunky on this. Like it's struggling drawing because I'm on Zoom.
Mm.
Okay, we want this to stay here, respect this,
Mm.
and pop on out. Don't know if I'll trade on that. We did catch some moves this morning.
What's your average return on investment per trade, do you reckon? Just roughly. ROI percent. That's how I measure things per trade.
Um, per trade, it depends on like
Hmm.
the run.
Oh, on Forex prop, not the futures stuff. I mean, seriously, for people that are not in the US, there's plenty of Forex prop firms we can use. So to me,
Yeah,
they're a much better proposition, obviously, than the futures ones.
I don't have a prop firm with Forex. Yeah,
Mm.
I did
No?
have, but they've disappeared.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah, I've only got
Futures.
the futures at the moment. Yeah.
That's a bit sad. Very sad.
Oh, I've got my Forex accounts.
Yeah, private.
Yeah,
But
but
why
yeah,
why you
I've
why
I've
use your own money when you can use other people's?
compounding, mate, compounding. You
I know
turn
about
like
compounding.
yeah,
You know,
okay.
who invented
I
compounding? Was it
see.
Einstein?
Yeah. Well, if
Yeah.
we go in, right, I'll show you, right? We go in here. I traded I mean US 30, right? So let me just put on my chart so I can see it. Okay. We'll leave that for that. Okay, so I'm going to put this on and I'm going to put the VIX on, right? And I'm going to compound it. Say if you had $100, right?
Yeah.
Right, $100. Hang on, just let me just get this
Yeah. I
on
know how
here.
compounding works. You don't need to go through that. I mean, if you don't know
No,
how
no, no, no.
compounding
Well,
works, you should
there's
learn
other people. Mm,
compounding in grade 11 or grade 12. You should learn about compounding, seriously.
yeah. Well,
If you
we're going
haven't
to
learned
go
it by
over.
then, I mean.
We're going to go the VIX right now, and we're going to go over this market, right? And
Hmm.
then this here, right? First up, we're going to go on a naked chart. The 5 minute. Right. And I need US 30 on. That's why it wasn't making any sense. I'm like, that didn't look like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
better with
So,
US 30, yeah.
okay. So if I have $100, right, and I want to make this run, now this is a big run, but these runs happen all the time. Right? And I have
Mm-hmm.
$100. I can turn this
Mm-hmm.
$100
Mm-hmm.
into 1,000
Yep. Just
on
on that
these
run.
runs.
Yeah, of
Right.
course.
So I'm going to go in and I'm going to get my top here. There's my top, and it starts making a quasi. Right. There's a quasi pattern, and you will see this in the market with bearish patterns. These are all bearish patterns, right?
Yep.
There's a trend line break here, right? Strong downtrend, breaks this, and I'm going to be looking at the VIX, right? We're in profit in US 30, not US 30, MNQ, sorry. Ah,
Good, good, good,
$6.50.
good, good.
$6.50 on one contract. We're going it, mate. We're going.
Don't bet the house on it, will you?
No, no, definitely not. All right. So in here, when I have the trades with the now that it's going over, right? I'm looking over my VIX here. Come onto the 1 minute time frame. Now I'm going to take my $100, and especially if it's risk-free, okay? Disclaimer, I'm no financial advisor here. I'm just saying if you have $100, right, and you're coming into the market to grow it to 1,000, 1,000 to 10,000, right? I can milk this whole run. Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to
Yeah,
put
you
on
take
my
you take extra trades. You don't just take the one trade when it's on a good run. You get in extra trades, of course.
yeah.
Mm.
Okay. So we've got this happening here. So what I do is I see on the oh, how do I mute people?
Everyone else is muted, aren't they? Yeah,
Anyway,
except for
just
Linda.
yeah.
Linda.
Yeah. All right. So I'm in here and I'm looking, this is consolidating on the VIX, right? So this works as a confirmation as well. And I use my tools. Now I've got this in here. This makes a quasi, so I can start putting up my bearish patterns. So now I get a sell and I want price to be underneath the moving average. And this is red, so I can get in. So I can put my
Yep.
stop loss here and then I can go in for $10, right?
Yep.
So in here, I can risk $10, right? We're just doing low risk here, but we're starting an account because a lot of people only have $100. So I'm just showing.
Sure.
So we can come in here wherever we put our stop loss, we can make 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right?
That's it. Yep.
And we're going to stop our trade here. We're going to put a trend line, and then we can take this money here plus the risk, and we can put on to the next trade. Now, we want to go in here with a pattern, right? The moving averages are in between price. This is also in between price, and this is creating a pattern, right? So we can take our money, right? We can risk $10 plus whatever money we made here. That is up to you.
Yep.
And then we can go in and we can take this trade. So this money in here, right? We can say, for example, risking $60. We don't have to risk it all, but you have risk-free money, right? So broker's money,
that's right.
Anything, money that you can afford to risk, right? So down here, I can make, right, risking 60. I get this signal. Everything lines up. The VIX is pushing up. My cumulative delta is beautiful, right? This is all red. I was looking at
absolutely
at MNQ. Okay, so in here, I'm going to go 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, right? This is all adding up. I'm going to stay in this trade. I'm watching the VIX, watching this.
Yep.
Right, and I go onto the 1 minute time frame on this as well. Right, and then I can take this money and add it, right?
Yeah.
Whatever money, because I don't know how much this market's going to go, so I can move my stop loss down, protect my profits.
Yep.
Right?
Absolutely.
And now my account has got larger.
Trail it. Right? Yeah, for
Okay.
sure. I do a similar thing. I do the similar thing, but you're risking. You said your starting point there when it gets up to $100, you're going to risk 60. which is
Well,
60% risk on
yep.
that. So
You've got
I just
it's
go lower
broker's
than
money.
that, you know.
It's
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
broker's money.
yeah,
If you have like I
yeah,
have
yeah,
people
yeah.
that
I agree.
like as I said, risk disclaimer, like if you want to come in here now,
Mm.
you know, you've made, I don't know, $500 on here, and you can take
Yeah,
this,
yeah,
right? You see this beautiful move, you can take half of it, right?
yeah, exactly. Exactly.
And
I
then you
hear
get a
you. Yeah,
sell, and I'm
yeah,
looking for the red, right? So I'm looking
yeah,
for this red.
yeah,
Whoops, 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 whoops. I'm looking for this red,
yeah.
this red.
That's the bit I love. I was talking about before in version one.
Yeah,
That bit you just
it's
highlighted.
this,
It's a
like,
beautiful thing.
yeah. And you just want to make sure that you're with the trend. And
Yes.
when there's a pullback, because an impulse down and there's a pullback,
Close
and
the
then I
trade
go in. It's
and go back in
beautiful.
later. Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
No, I get that. That's
And then I make sure that the moving averages, right, are not like this, right? So if
mm,
price is in here, right, it's
mm-hmm,
consolidating.
mm-hmm.
So you get a sell, this is red, and then I use the VIX as well for extra confirmation. Oh, hold on. And you can see here, right, this was a pullback, and now here, right? Oh, hang on. My phone's ringing. All right. So notice here, all right? I'll just put on here, all right? This is selling. Now we get a pullback, right? So I'm watching this and I'm watching this as well. I use these tools. Now I'm looking at this here to see for confirmations to get in for the sell. So I'm not just like, you can take the sells, but I want to get the best, right? So I use my patterns in here, and then I can come in and I see that the moving averages are pulled up, right? I can come in here when it touches here. This is in a downtrend. I can put my position here. I can take some of the broker's money that I just made, put a position in, and then I see the sell, and everything lines up here. This is buying up here, right? The VIX is above the moving averages. This is beautiful and blue, right? And in here, these are the pullbacks, right? And I can take this sell with more confidence, right? And then the market comes here. This was like with the open bell. Okay. NAS is breaking. It might be selling. All right. So in here, I can see this pullback, right? This pullback here, everything's underneath. I get a sell. All the moving averages, I've got the 34 EMA, I've got the 50 simple moving average, and I've got the Nadara, right? Nardarea, okay? And when this happens, I can see that this breaks, this is blue, this is red. Heikin Ashi candles are absolutely delicious, right? These, where's my arrow? Can never find my arrow. Anyway, these Heikin Ashi candles are fat and flat, and the sellers come in. Now I can risk whatever amount, right? I mean, I know traders that risk ridiculous amounts. Right? I've built my account up. I can come in here, right? For example, I can come in and make more money, 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 money. My account is now heavily over $1,000, depending on what I risk. But I'm getting the ideal trades here in a downtrend. I'm looking at the 3 minute, and I also have this on the 3 minute as well because I want to see the crossovers. Right, so on this, right, on the 3 minute, I want to see the crossover of these moving averages. And then I look for my bearish patterns. And then I look for my zones. There's a zone here, right? There's a zone here, and it just broke straight through. So I'm looking continually to see what is the market doing. And when the price is away, this is a strong, strong sell. I'm still in the US, oh no, MNQ. A bit sleep deprived. That was a good run last night. But that's what I'm doing. I'm just, oh, I haven't even checked on gold. I've been trading all night, so I'm a little bit tired. Okay. So, ooh, there we go. All right. This sell is looking quite good. This here. I'm going to take a sell on that. I am taking a sell. Where's my... I think it's a bit of a funny pattern. I'll show you what I mean. I'm just looking at it on a naked chart. I'm just going to wait for this to pull up. All right, this broke. I want to see this actually just pull up first. Right? Better to be late than early to a trade. I just don't like this pattern. If I put it on here, where's my icons? Why isn't this set up on here? It's broke here. We are paid to wait. This comes up here. Then I feel better about taking a sell because I get a better price. Okay, so I'm just waiting for this to pull up into this moving average. And if it starts pulling up, then I'm going to get in, right? This called a sell. All right, I just want this to pull up a bit. It comes down, it could just tank as well, but that's what I normally do. Right, but this zoom might end. But there'll be multiple entries on this. If the sellers come in and take this, even if you miss the first one, it pulls back. Boom. This whole area. I just, okay. I want it to pull back in here and then show me that it wants to sell. I just don't like this pattern. I like my money. Okay. So what else have we got? This could tank though as well. So normally I'm on, oh yeah. There we go. That's beautiful. This is an uptrend. That would have been a nice buy starting from over here. Right, it's curling around. It breaks this. Be a buy. Oh, forgot about this one. I'm in this one as well. Oh yeah, come on. Shove it up. Go on. It needs to break it. It will. I just know it. I'm telling it to. Go. German DAX is beautiful, beautiful in London. Okay, so I have my London sessions. Here's the Gordon. Woo! There's a story with the Gordon. It's a good one. Look at it. Look at it. Boom. Look at that. Look at that beautiful bearish pattern here. Right? Right. If I'm on this in when London comes, I'm eyeing this off. Let's go here. Right here. Notice the market just repeats itself. Did a quasi, bearish. And everything's underneath the moving average. And then I can take my sells. I don't know why there's no sell here. That's because I'm on the 3-minute. Right. I don't trade JER in this session, but London, everyone's different, like awake, different times. But you can see bearish pattern, bearish patterns. Everything is underneath the moving average. We get the red, we get in, we make our money. We get a pullback, right? I'm not going to get in this trade with this being the moving averages like that, right? Wait, 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 wait. Boom, in. All right. And see, this is what I mean about this pattern. Just showing you gold. Just telling me, just wait. If this comes up, a lot of people are selling this. The market is there to take your money. But the German DAX, these are the things that I trade in Asia. This would have been a trade. 11 o'clock. Sorry, I have been trading like all night, so I'm a little tired. 6N, probably the same as well. Boom. See, everything is all above. So I'm using this as my confirmations as well. Where is 6N? All right. And I would have been in this trade. Right. I can see that there is a break of a trend here. Boom. And this here was the beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Right. So in here, that was the Sydney. Right. Oh, that's not Sydney. This is Sydney. So I take my zones and then I go out from that. This here, you can see this morning, broke this. There was a squeeze. Right. See the squeeze? Moving average, boom, I'm in. Comes out, boom, I'm in that one as well. Right. Okay. So I can see this. These are sells, break, I'm in. So I'm using this.